Here comes a cold front and a high behind it, and the 1-2 combo of these two features means we're in for a cold Thursday morning. And it's been chilly around these parts, but it's about to get colder, so get ready. Our first good shot at a widespread frost of the season tomorrow morning, and really only a few days removed from our average first frost date. It seems kind of interesting, especially when you consider how we started the month off, so incredibly warm it was. Well, this time of the year, we are back to reality as far as the chill goes. Now, no rain to go along with it. Thank goodness it's all down south. They've got rain and snow up over Canada, the upper Great Lakes. And here we are with nothing doing. This front will come in, and about the only thing you'll see is a little bit of a wind shift, and the wind will pick up. It'll go from west to northwest after the frontal passage, and it'll be breezy, 10-15 mile per hour winds. But really no precipitation with it, so you may not even see cloud cover. What it's going to do, though, is give us a reinforcing shot of cooler air. So that's going to Thursday. We'll see clouds increasing Friday. That's out in anticipation of our next round of rain they get in here, more than likely late Friday night. So it's 40 now, Bluegrass Airport. So far, we've managed to avoid the upper 30s, although the dew point's at 37. We can drop down to 37. We can match that dew point. It won't drop lower. So we've still got a few more degrees to work with there. And it is in the upper 30s, Mount Sterling, in Flemingsburg, in E-Town. You've got 40 south. And right there's that average first fall frost date. It's October 14th for Lexington. That's the 30-year average. And if you look, our first freeze, our average date for that is October 26th. We're coming up on that. We may get near freezing tomorrow morning. The first hard freeze, which is getting down into the upper 20s, is November 5th. So usually early November for that. But here's a telling sign. You've got a widespread freeze warning in this purplish color going from the bottom of the mitten in Michigan there, down through all of Indiana, northern Indiana, western Ohio, and then you've got our freeze warning in northern counties, Maysville over through Dry Ridge. That's from the Wilmington National Weather Service office. Then we've got a frost advisory, and this is everywhere. So pretty good chance to get frosty tomorrow morning. If you've got plants that are sensitive to this, drag them in. I've got this big potted fig tree that my grandpa cut from his tree down in Texas and gave me years ago, and this is the time of the year I've got to get that big pot and wheel it into the garage. So it doesn't get fried, so look out. 59 degrees, that's the high this afternoon, not too shabby. Tonight we're down into the 30s, and there you go. A good chance to get down to around the low to mid 30s, coldest air of the season. And then tomorrow we're only back to the low 50s, so yeah, that front is going to do a number on us. Mostly sunny, breezy today, a cold start. We're around 40 like I showed you, but we should end up near 60. And then tonight it just gets cold, frosty, potential widespread frost situation. And then tomorrow afternoon, back to the low 50s. The weekend is trouble as far as rain is concerned. It'll be just mild enough. Yeah, we're talking rain. Upper 50s Friday. Rain, likely showers overnight into Saturday. We'll try to see if we can get a lot of it moved through before the game for the Cats Saturday night at Kroger Field. A dry but very cool end of the weekend, and could see more lows near freezing early next week. Stay with us. Sunrise back in a few.